What up, YouTube? I've got a lot of videos I'm needing to post up, but I wanted to share something with you real quick. This is going to be a really quick video. Got some new lighting in from Blizzard Lighting. Want to buy new lighting? That's call me up. But this is some really good stuff, y'all. I got two Polarises. The moving heads they have, they're 30-watt LED moving heads. They got the prism effect. They have dimmer, strobe, all kind of cool stuff. I'm just going to give you like just a quick video here real quick of the stuff I purchased. And I also bought I think it's called a Color Storm 252. Looks similar to like the American DJ Mega Bar. Color Storm 252, and I'm going to show you that first. Does really well with amber. Right now it's got it on standalone mode. It's just cycling through different colors. Does really well. And of course, these are the Polarises that we're just experimenting with. I got some really good high output, man. Similar to my Martin MX-10s. And see, the kitchen light was on too, so let's go ahead and turn that off. See that? Very good. The Color Storm 252. Again, the Polarises. And it's built pretty good, y'all. I'll show y'all this soon in the next segment. Here is the Polaris really close up here. It does have interchangeable gobos. Haven't got a chance to pop the cover off yet. Has a nice good feel to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, this feels really good, like as far as like the quality of the way it's built. You can turn the focus to focus it manually. It also has a nice good LED display. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, this yoke is pretty tight, y'all. So it's not cheaply built at all, you know. So there is another company that makes a 22-watt LED. I'm not going to say their name, but these are 30-watt LED. Pretty sure Blizzard Lighting will be coming out with something bigger and better always. But this is a really good fixture for, like, you know, what I'm going to be using it for is like my small weddings and small shows, to where I don't have to rent a trailer or anything like that, or get a big old truck. So it's like, this for like really small reception halls the size of my entire living room, as you can see here. So it's definitely a good product. Will is the owner of the company, and again, sorry for the messy room. I just wanted to put this quick video up, but that deal right there in front of me, the Color Storm 252, this LED bar, it's really nice. I mean, it's got metal casing and plastic ends, but it's built really well too. So has a really good mixture of the colors and everything, as you can see there. So yep, here's a little bit closer up. You can see the diodes there. It has a digital display as well. And of course I'm gonna be running Show Express on here. Just built a little quick light scene here, nothing too serious. building stands and bases for these, so I can put them on speaker stands and stuff like that. That's the plan to do with these lights here, so that way I can fit everything in the minivan. But yeah, I'm using the Show Express program. So I plan on doing some programming. I have to build a profile in here because currently it was not in this particular version I have. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the moving heads in operation. Watching the video, and put your comments below. I'm just experimenting with these lights, so I wanted to share that with you. It's about midnight. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night, guys.